we are learning skipper stitch. This is one of my own invention, and the name came about in a rather convoluted fashion because the pattern reminded me of a water bug with those long legs, and for some reason I thought they were called water skippers or something, so there you have it, naming stitches is hard. We're back to that glorious thing, the trellis stitch base, and if you haven't completely mastered those parallel lines and neat squares yet, well, stick around cause we're going to do a lot more. Just like our last stitch, star filling, we're going to add 2 layers of couching stitches on top, creating a plus sign over every other square. You can add these layer by layer, doing all the stitches in one direction first, then going back over with the perpendicular stitches, or as I'm doing here, you can add each plus sign one at a time. Just make sure you're keeping the same direction of stitch on top if you're going for that nice consistent look. One more layer of couching stitches will finish off this design. We'll start by placing a much shorter couching stitch over the center cross point of that plus sign. This can be in either direction, but once you've chosen one, stick with it, because we're now going to add another couching stitch, this time over the cross points of the trellis itself and in the opposite direction of the one you just did. Keep that up across the entire section. And that is our skipper stitch. Don't forget to add a border. And we're done!